there in the internet? Welcome to the Eugene Torto YouTube channel. And if you're not subscribed, go down there, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll take all the subscribers I can get. It's free to subscribe. And I think only about something like 92% of my viewers are not subscribed. So if you can subscribe, that helps my channel out a lot. Also hit the notification bell, leave comments, and hit the thumbs up or thumbs down. Okay, today's video is going to be another job on my C4 Corvette. I will leave a link up there somewhere. And I'm going to be changing out the selector switch for the mirrors. Now, I didn't troubleshoot mine, but both mirrors are giving me trouble, so I doubt both mirrors went at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and change them out. It's a pretty simple job. Whenever doing this type of work, you should disconnect the battery. I probably ain't. I'm probably just going to take those two screws out. This will pop up. There's a couple of screws in the back here, and that will pop these out. So let me get to work. Okay, I have the old one out, and once you get this out, all you gotta do is flip it over, take out these two Phillips screws, and pull it out, and put your new one in. Now, I doubt they're making new one of these. This one I got off of Merock. I will leave a link down in the description box. This sucker looks like it's brand new. I mean, if I didn't know better, you'd swear it's brand new. And if you look at the knob, it's black. And the reason it's black, this is actually off of a 92, or for a 92 up to, I forgot what year, but the 90 and 91 had the gray with the orange on here. This has the black. I could probably change them out if I wanted to. I'm just going to leave it. I ain't going to chance it. Looks like it just clips off. Maybe I will. I don't know. But this looks nicer, so I'm going to leave it. And this thing is like brand new. Whenever you buy parts, use C4 Corvette parts, the best place to get them is that where I look down in the description box, Merock. I'm stuttering again. And they always seem to have the best parts. Their parts always look in really good shape. I don't think they sell any part that looks bad as far as cosmetics, especially when you're buying like interior pieces. A lot of places, when you order used parts for C4, well, you get they look like they're underwater or something. But the Merock stuff always looks good. And so if you need parts, I highly recommend them. I'm not associated with them in any way. I have used them in the past. I always get great parts from them. So, like I said, with this on, I'm just going to put these two Phillips screws in and put it back in the car, and then we'll test it. Okay, it's back in the car. I got the wires hooked up. It's back in place. I got the little tray in place. I still got to screw that down. I'll wait till I test it. Ignition's on. We'll go ahead and test it. Okay, moves left, moves right, moves down, moves up. That's what it was doing before. In case anyone was wondering about my mirror, it would go up, but it wouldn't come back down. And then the other one started doing the same thing. That's how I determined it was this switch. Now I'll try the other side. I don't know if you guys can see that over there. Yep, the switch is working. I already checked the light in it, so I know that's working. Not only is it working the way the mirrors are working, that's probably smooth as they ever worked since I've had the car. So it was worth spending the $20.95 for that. If you can find a new one like this, old stock, it would probably be old stock, still in the original like AC Delco box or GM box or whatever, and it'd probably be well over $100. So $20.95, you can't beat it. Like I said, you go to Merock, just follow that link in the description box below. Hope that was helpful in some way in case you're having problems with your power mirrors. Just don't assume it's the switch. Of course, if you have a C4 like mine that's 30 years old and your switch is looking a little dingy, it might be worth to spend $20.95 on one that's in better shape, just to have it around, if anything. Or you could put the new used one in, and if your old one's still working, just put it in a box somewhere and store it in case that ever goes. But thanks everyone for watching. Like I said, go down and subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit the thumbs up, thumbs down, and leave comments if you'd like to see other C4 Corvette videos or more car show videos, whatever. That's what the comments section's for, so go ahead down there and leave it. Once again, thanks for watching, and God bless. Have a great day.